How are you doing today? Oh yeah, let me tell you the tools that I am using today. The phone that I am using is a MI phone, which I bought it when I came to US 2 years back, around $200. And I have a MacBook Pro, so I'll be using iMovies for editing my videos. I know a little bit of editing, and I'll be using Canva for creating thumbnail and for creating the title. Oh yeah, what should be my title for this video? Yeah, why should I tube? How is that? Sounds good, right? Sounds good, I think. Yeah, why I tube? Nice. If you are watching this video, don't forget to comment what you feel about the title and the thumbnail, and also my video editing skill and how I am presenting you today. Thank you. I wanted to show you what is my setup today. Yeah, see this. This is my setup for the day. Again, this is Sandeep, the engineer. So today, before making this video, I went through a lot of different kind of videos. For example, why should I make a video? How can I have a good voice for a YouTube video? What kind of content I should target? What is the name of my channel? Oh my God, so many things. Okay, so many things, right? Come on, why should I think about all these things? Why should even I care about all these things? Because I am making the video for myself. Because this is the time. I don't think that I will ever be getting a good time like this when the whole world is looking at YouTube and the whole world is hooked into the internet. People are working from home. I am working from home. Instead of thinking about, all these excuses that, okay, this is not there, whole world is locked down, I can't entertain myself, I cannot go to party. Let's make this happen today, man. Yeah, this is what I thought here. Whatever it is, I'm going to throw all these things here. And I want to hear from you. How do you think? Hey, are you done? Are you leaving? Hold on for a second. Just see my setup. How did I start today? This is my desk. This is the lights. See this.
Do it! Just do it!
So, let's do it.
Don't let your dreams
Okay,
dreams.
let's do it.
Yesterday, you said tomorrow. So just do it!
Let's think about creating a video in YouTube. And when I think about creating a video in YouTube, I have to think about a story, right? When I have to think about a story, I have to have little bit of agenda in my mind, of course, and have to have some content, some little bit of entertainment, little bit of entertaining content, which will stick my viewer for 5 to 10 minutes. It is quite tough, I know. I might be boring right now, but I'm trying, right? This window is for everyone, right? It is for content creator, it is for a writer, it is for a listener, it is for a viewer. Everyone, right? Everyone can take the benefit out of this window. This is what I realized, okay? Now, when I'm presenting my ideas, I have to create a thumbnail also. And thumbnail has to be appealing. Creating the content is not the end of the story here. You have to create a teaser. That itself is a different level of creativity. I am always passionate about creating something new. This is what I always loved. I know it is too late, but I don't think that I will repent not doing this. I will try my best to have a schedule. I have always learned to execute things with limited resource. Why should I worry now? I don't have a DSLR. I don't have a good mic with me. I don't have a good studio with me. Why should I think all these things? Let's do it, man. Let's do it. I saw this video today, yeah. So let's do it, man. Let's do it. And I'm doing it right now. I think I have a good plan in my mind what kind of content I will be creating. Of course, being an experienced engineer, I will try to make some learning content for sure. So that's it. That's the reason I'm doing YouTube today. This is the time. I don't think I can wait anymore to start this journey. Since my childhood, I always think about building new things, making new things, giving a new speech, being a host, teach someone. So many things come to my mind. There are so many thoughts that comes to your mind. Okay, you want to do something, you want to do something, you want to do this. The biggest excuse that is going on in everyone's mind is COVID-19 situation, work from home, nobody is allowed to go out, social distancing, so many things, right? In this time, how will I present my ideas? How will I talk to someone? Whenever there is a problem, the human species always have some solution for that, right? So see this. This is such a pandemic situation. Still, the world has never stopped. Why should I stop? Right? Why should I stop? Just do it, man. No more excuses. This is the time, right? You don't have to go out. You have all the time at home. What else will you do? Everyone else is watching YouTube. Everyone else is hooked into the internet. I think this is the best platform that I can express myself sitting at home, right? On this Memorial Day, I thought of making this as a memory. Yeah, I am from India and I am from a state called Odisha. And from Odisha, I am from a district called Bolangir. I am born to do things, to achieve things with limited resources. I always have started things with limited resources and finished up to completion. Why should I wait now? So let's do this, man. That's why today I started iTube. This is what I always loved. Reading, writing, storytelling, and building something new. And now, when I see YouTube, YouTube is full of creativity. When I'm thinking about YouTube, I'm thinking about creating a new content. And to be able to create a new content, I have to have a story with me. And now, I have to entertain my viewers also. I have to think about ways to minimize the time, put all my thoughts into a 5 minute or 10 minute time frame. This is a different level of creativity, right? Animations, creating the thumbnail. Of course, I can tell something about me and I can present my ideas, what I have learned in last 15 years of my career as a software engineer, or all of my projects. I can bring it to here. I can show you, okay, what I have learned, where I have failed. If I want to build my communication skill, I think this is the best platform that I can build here, right? Because I am in front of the camera, I am watching myself talking to you. I can fix problems. I can take ideas from you. I can learn something new every day from my viewers. I can build these skills also, right? So this is what I think. YouTube is a window of a vast ocean of knowledge. And I really want to swim now. I know I am super inexperienced in making videos, but I can't stop. I think during the course of this journey, I will learn a lot. So walk with me. Let's walk together. Be my guide. Let's learn from each other. And I'm sure we'll do great together. I don't have any solid plan, but I kind of know what I'm going to create and upload in this channel. Being an experienced engineer, I will be creating a lot of tech videos, but as a human, I will also try to share some of the stories, some of my experiences with you. Hey, again, this is Sandeep, the engineer. See you next time. Till then, take care. Hey, wait, before I end, this is what I found today. YouTube is the window for ocean of knowledge. Interviewer, but I'm not able to stop anymore. I have to do it. And I am from a district called Bolangir.